On average, only 10% of doors in a building are managed by access control, which means 90% still need keys. Keys get lost. Keys need to be replaced. Keys have to be managed. Lost or misplaced keys are a security risk. But now there is a solution: Aperio wireless lock technology. You have an existing access control system based on 125 kHz RFID technology. Now, with Aperio, additional doors can be wirelessly linked to a new or existing access control system. Installation is simple, fast, and straightforward. There's no need for door modifications, no need for cabling, and no more mechanical keys. Just one card for all the doors. With online door control using your existing EAC management system. Upgrade to Aperio and open your doors to secure, cost-effective access control.